Excellency, Secretary General of the United Nations, Your Excellency, Madam Amina Mohammed, Deputy Secretary General of the United Nations, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure to welcome you to Addis Ababa as we mark the 80th anniversary of the United Nations. This occasion invites reflection on how multilateral institutions must adapt to the realities of a changing world. 80 years ago, after a devastating global war, the United Nations was created out of necessity. It reflected the understanding that peace, dignity, and stability require nations to work together, anchored in shared principle. That vision was captured in the Charter through a commitment of human dignity, justice, equality, and social progress. Ethiopia was part of that founding moment. Our history with the international system has been principled and deeply tested. We experienced firsthand the failure of the League of Nations when collective security proved ineffective. Yet that experience did not turn us away from engagement. Instead, it taught us to be realistic about institutions without becoming cynical about cooperation. It also left a lasting lesson. Institutions retain legitimacy only when they are able to act when tested. Excellencies, trust between nations is under pressure. Conflicts are becoming more complex, and too often there is a gap between commitments and implementation. The expectations placed upon multilateral institutions continue to grow in both scale and complexity. The United Nations must continue to evolve to become more representative, more equitable, and more reflective of today's realities. Africa, in particular, should have a strong voice in decisions that affect its future. Broader representation within the international system will strengthen its effectiveness and credibility. Africa is ready to contribute, to take on greater responsibility, and to help build a stronger and a more credible global order. At the same time, the international community must act with greater urgency on peace and security, development, climate, and the rapid transformation driven by technology. These challenges are increasingly interconnected and require deeper coordination, stronger partnerships, and meaningful international cooperation. The task ahead is clear: to renew and adapt the multilateral system for the demands of our time. I want to express my sincere appreciation to my brother, Secretary General Antonio Guterres, for his years of dedicated service, for his steady commitment, and for his genuine engagement with Africa. His leadership has been deeply valued. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank my dear sister, Madam Amina, for assisting my brother and for helping him to realize this great vision. Excellencies, today, as we unveil this commemorative stamp, we honor all those who have dedicated their lives to the ideals of the United Nations. Ethiopia will remain a committed partner in the work ahead. We believe in a multilateral system that is fair, inclusive, and result-oriented. We will continue to play our part in shaping what comes next. In today's world, cooperation remains the most reliable path to peace, stability, and a shared progress. I thank you.